Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to Facebook in a quick and easy way. This is useful if you want to run ads, make payments, or manage transactions smoothly. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open PayPal on your device or go to the website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up and choose either a personal or business account based on your needs. Once your PayPal is ready, open Facebook and log in. Go to your profile, tap on the menu icon and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and find Meta Account Center. Tap on it, then select Meta Pay. Here you'll see options like Transactions and Manage. Tap on Manage to continue. Next, tap on Add Payment Method. You'll see different options like card or PayPal. Select PayPal and you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal details and allow access. Once you approve it, your PayPal account will be successfully linked to Facebook. And that's it. Now you can easily use PayPal for payments and ads. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.